Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a PDF in your Word file. So for that, first of all, you need to go to your PDF and there's the insert button. Click here and then you can check this object button. You just need to click on this drop down icon and click here. Now you need to select the object from here and then create from file. From here, you need to browse the PDF file you wanna display here. Simply click on this and I'm going to paste this file here. Just insert it here and then click and OK. And there's the option display as an icon and as default you need to display. Simply click on OK. And here you can see my PDF file is inserted here. You can move it anywhere you want. So here we have another option. Suppose you wanna paste the you wanna add the text of your PDF file. So for that, you need to click on the text from file and then you need to click on the PDF file you wanna upload it here and simply OK. And you just need to wait for some seconds. It depends on the content that you have in your PDF. And here you can see all the details that I have in my PDF is displayed here. So this is very simple method. You can easily display all the content from the PDF in your Word file. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye. Take care.